Good morning, students. We will continue our chapter, The Hack Driver. Bill didn't know about colleges and cities, but he had traveled around a lot of country and had a lot of jobs. From his adventures, he had brought back a philosophy of simplicity and laughter. He strengthened me. Now, the narrator, he says that Bill didn't know about colleges and cities. He didn't know about colleges and cities, but he had traveled around a lot of country and he had a lot of jobs. He traveled many places and he had a lot of jobs. From his adventures, he had brought back a philosophy of simplicity and laughter. And from his adventures, he had brought back a philosophy. And what was the philosophy? The philosophy was of simplicity and laughter. He strengthened me. He strengthened the narrator. We left that peaceful scene of meadows and woods and resumed our search of Oliver Lutkins. Now they left the place, that peaceful scene of meadows and woods, and they began to search Oliver Lutkins. We could not find him. At last, Bill cornered a friend of Lutkins and made him admit what he guessed. Oliver's gone out of his mother's farm 3 miles north. We drove out there laying plans. Now, at last, Bill cornered a friend of Lutkins. He asked one of his friend and made him admit that and the person guessed Oliver's gone out of his mother's farm 3 miles north, and they drove out there laying plans. I know Oliver's mother. She is a terror, Bill sighed. I took a trunk out there for her once and she almost took my skin off because I didn't treat it like a box of eggs. She is about 9 feet tall and 4 feet thick and quick as a cat. And she sure can talk. I will bet Oliver heard that somebody is chasing him and he has gone on there to hide behind his mother's skirts. Well, we will try her, but you would better let me do it, boy. You may be great at literature and law, but you haven't had real training in swearing. Now, when they could not trace Oliver Lutkins anywhere in New Mullion, Bill directed the lawyer to his last visit to Oliver Lutkins' mother. Her farm was 3 miles north to the town. Bill told the lawyer that Lutkins must have heard that somebody was chasing him. Perhaps Lutkins had gone to the mother's farm. Bill told the lawyer that Lutkins must have heard that somebody was chasing him. Perhaps Lutkins had gone to the mother's farm to hide behind his mother's skirts. Bill also told him that Lutkins' mother was a terrible woman. We drove into a poor farmyard. We were faced by an enormous and cheerful old woman. My guide bravely went up to her and said, "Remember me? I am Bill Magnuson, the carter and hackman. I want to find your son Oliver." Now, they reached there and they faced the enormous and cheerful old woman. Who was the old woman? Lutkins' mother. My guide bravely went up to her. My guide, the head driver. He went up to the lady and said, "Remember me? Do you remember me? I am Bill Magnuson, the carter and hackman." He introduced himself and he told the lady that he was Bill, the carter and hackman. I want to find your son Oliver. And he said, I want to find your son. I don't know anything about Oliver and I don't want to, she shouted. Now look here, we have had just about enough nonsense. This young man represents the court in the city and we have a legal right to search all properties for this Oliver Lutkins. Bill made me sound very important and the woman was impressed. She retired into the kitchen and we followed. She seized an iron from the old-fashioned stove and marched on us shouting, you search all you want to if you don't mind getting first. She shouted and laughed at our frightened retreat. Now, as they drove to the farmhouse, they were faced by an enormous and cheerful old woman. Bill bravely went to her. He informed her that her son Oliver Lutkins was needed as a witness in a legal case. The woman told bluntly that she didn't know anything about Lutkins. Bill pressed for searching the house and as it was their legal right. Lutkins' mother went inside and came out with an iron rod from the old stove to attack them. Bill advised the lawyer to get out of there to avoid being murdered by her. So, the last hope of tracing Oliver Lutkins also ended in smoke. Now, one extract is here, questions are here. When I got paint at all. So, these are the questions from this extract. First question, who is I? Second question, why was I disappointed? Third question, what does the word expectations mean? And the last question, what is the opposite of disappointed? You will do these questions in your notebook and we will continue our chapter by tomorrow.